Hello sassy moms and anybody else watching this channel. Welcome back and thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be a quick review of a beautiful, gorgeous Cult GAIA handbag slash clutch. But before I get into it, I just want to say something from my heart. Recently, I've been experiencing content fatigue. I don't know if it's a thing between, I think it's between the fact that I'm thinking my way out of content. I make a decision on, okay, I'm going to do this content, this is my topic, and then last minute on the day I decide to do the recording or something like that nature, I just say, oh no, I'm not doing that for some reason or the other. I'm stuck in a rut, so to speak. Maybe not a rut, but I'm feeling stuck. And I know that's not normal because I haven't had that since December when I got serious with my YouTube. I haven't had that. It's been consistent, but in recent times, it's been a drag. So if you have any advice, maybe you've been an OG or you have been a YouTuber for a very long time, advice on how to get over this hump and just keep going. Anyway, I guess I'm just putting it out there, maybe to remove the jinx out of it. Now, let me get into it. One second. So it comes in this beautiful box. Well, an empty box from Cult GAIA. And here is the bag. Let's open it. Now, this bag, I am somebody, when it comes to shopping, I always try as much as possible to stick to my wish list. However, I also believe that sometimes you go for the whiskey you want over the water you need. Since I learned that quote, it's always been something. Sometimes, just sometimes, not all the time. That's the details of the bag. Nano Simil crossbody. Now, this is the dust bag it comes with. A very nice, generous dust bag to store it when traveling, or some people store their bags in dust bag and keep it there on the shelf. I don't, because I love to see and admire it anytime I walk into the room, but there's a dust bag anyway. And here is the masterpiece. This is a work of art. When it comes to Cult GAIA, is one brand that I strongly believe that their bags, their clutches, even their dresses, their shoes, everything they produce that are all statement pieces. I bet you if LVMH or any of this big brand ever buy them, I'm telling you, their prices are going to skyrocket. But anyway, here is the beautiful bag. I love the fact that this is a handbag that doubles as a clutch as well. The color is, they called it Crow, C-R-O, but I would say it's more beige with a pink undertone. I'm just putting this side by side as a comparison. And this is an orange. The color of the top handle is orange. And that's it. It doesn't come with any forfeit, which is great, which is fine. That's the details of the bag. And it opens up like so, an easy opening into that. I love the fact that it comes with a strap, because this strap means that I can wear it casually. For example, I can definitely carry this to the office with that strap. I can wear it for, I'm somebody that carries my things everywhere. I don't really store my things for special occasions specifically. I can wear this bag to a wedding and I can still wear it to go to Sainsbury to buy something. That is me. I love to use my things. So that is the strap it comes with, and let me see what it can contain. Now, can it take a phone? Absolutely not this phone anyway. However, I'm somebody that holds my phone on my hand. 9 out of 10 times I have my phone on my hand, even when I'm carrying a bigger bag. So personally, that is not a deal breaker per se. Now, this is a little Louis Vuitton, I don't know what is a wallet. It's empty, there's nothing inside of it. It can fit. And then this is one of the things I carry in my bag. I have my lip gloss, a perfume, tissue, hand gel, hand cream in this bag. Can it fit? Let's see. You see that? I put it in there. I hope this, and then this one in here. Now let's see if there's something else that can go in. Is there anything else I can slot in? Okay, anyway, so this can close perfectly with that. Now there's a space here, there's enough space here to add something else. Maybe let's say, let me put this mirror, this Chanel mirror. For talk's sake, you need a mirror to whatever. Let's say you fit it in here. Yes, it can go in. Absolutely does not close. Okay, maybe you need a flatter mirror. Actually, I have a mirror in this purse. Actually, I have a little, let's see, 1 second. I have this little Christian Louboutin mirror that I carry with me, all in this. So I already have my essentials by having these two things. Maybe something else like a lipstick, or there's a space for something else to fit in here. Now that's it. Oh, that's it. And I love this bag because this strap to me is a very good thing. And this is a bag or a clutch, whatever you want to call it. It doubles as both, which is one thing about it. It's not, I don't know how it's perfect. It's quite versatile and it's timeless, and it doesn't carry so much, but it carries just enough for me. I can't give any, I haven't used it out of the house, so I can't give any cons at the moment. However, yeah, that's the beauty of the bag. So now that's it. I'm going to give, I need to take this off. And so that's it. That's the beautiful Called GAIA crossbody nano Sibyl handbag. Let me know in the comment section, do you love Called GAIA bags? Do you have any? Would you like to have any? Because I could do a quick review of 1 or 2 of it, a comparison of their clutches and kind of their bags, and see. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay sassy. Bye bye.